Picture this, you're planning your dream destination for the last 3 years. You can't do it because of a certain vid situation, and it finally happens. On the 3rd year, you book your flights, you get to the airport, 2 AM, Mila is as good as gold, and you're told you cannot get on the flight. What do you do? We turned up to the airport and we didn't have a PCR test. And around 2 in the morning, we went to a 24-hour testing centre. They couldn't guarantee we'd get the test back, so we had to book home test at 5 AM. So now we're good to go.
I thought I told you there's no controller in my system, baby. A rock and roller. Yeah, you can never play my life.
Lauren's heading back from her couples massage, which wasn't a couples because I didn't go. Feeling relaxed?
Yes. Very zen.
How was it?
So nice. The spa is so nice. You can actually see it from here. If you just look out of our window, there's like a glass box, and you sit and have tea and look across the bay. It's so nice. And then they take you into like a little private villa where there's like a pool, bath, and yeah, just really zen. You have a choice of different oils that they massage you in, and
Did you fall asleep?
I think so. I think I did. I was like in the zone, and then I was like, oh yeah, she worked this part, and then suddenly I don't remember what she did. So yeah, I think I fell asleep.
Hola.
And I smell good.
Time to wake Missy up. That was a long sleep. That was over 2 hours.
You needed that.
Let's go swimming!
The bag with the rejects. We could have it all with the blank check. On a wave, on a mission.
We decided to stay here pretty much all day today. So we have just ordered room service for a little lunch. We're still feeling the effects of 2 early mornings at the airport, and just want to take it easy. Tired?
Yeah, I'm tired. Morning guys. So yesterday we spent the day in our villa, just making the most of it because it's amazing. The location is amazing, the view is amazing, the pool is amazing.
We want to live here.
Yeah, we wanted to make the most of, you know, having that beautiful villa. So we just spent the day there and got some content around there. And just before sunset, they came and created like a floral bath for us, which was really special. And Mila got involved as well, which was cute, you'll see.
We are now going to go up and actually have breakfast. And then we are coming back down to the beach. We're going to spend the day down here by this main pool, by the beach, as we spent yesterday, mostly in the villa.
We're hanging around. Life passed you by and you don't mind cause I'm around. It's what you feel, it's what I feel now. Singing all these questions that I have for you now. Sing it!
We just realised we never gave you a tour of our villa, so let's go do that right now. So all the villas are built on these stilts. Underneath they have all the electrics, all the plumbing.
Mila, you're going to show them the rest of the outside? So all of this outside comes with our villa, and right here is just like a dining area where we had in-villa dining yesterday for lunch. And then they've nicely put along the pool here, because there's quite a big drop down to where the sun lounges are. So they've put this gate here, which I think they've done just for Mila, because when you look around the rest of the villas, we can't see it. So maybe they do it not just obviously for Mila if they have like kids staying in the villa. So that's really nice because it just means that we can be a bit more, you know, obviously we're watching her when she's outside, but we're not worried 24/7. And then just down these little steps, and we have even more veranda overlooking all of the gorgeous view.
Can we show them your room?
Come on, let's go.
Mila, let's go show them your room. Thanks.
Welcome.
So over here We have kind of seating area, lounge, settee, which is based in front of the TV. Over here you've got your coffee, your water. In here we have a fridge, Mila's milk.
And then here we have chairs, which are obviously perfect for reading. And our super huge comfortable bed, which we slept in last night and it was super comfy.
Oh, what have we got over here? Are you reading Peppa? You reading Peppa? Are you reading Peppa?
And then over here they have set up like a little cot for Mila, which is great.
Birdie?
Betty. The bathroom. Through here we have a dressing area, wardrobe where, excuse the mess, all of our pieces of luggage are. All of our clothing is in there. His and hers sinks. Over here, through there is a toilet and bidet. And then round here is the best part, the humongous bath. Come here. And then we have this huge bath. Isn't it big? And you can see the birdies from the back. And our villa is like sunset facing as well. So we can see the sun go down right in front of our villa, which is really nice. We spent the rest of the day enjoying the pool whilst watching the sunset. And just like that, it was time to pack up and leave Mahé. River and Mila packed the bags. Well, Mila said bye-bye to her things whilst River packed. I was, well...
You're still on your phone. We need to leave. This is my life. This is what she does all day, every day. She doesn't look after Mila. She doesn't do anything. She just sits on her phone all day.
Anyway, after that hysterical joke, we left the villa, hopped on a buggy and headed to reception to check out. Mila made sure to say bye-bye to everyone and we were finally on our way to the airport. The drive itself is so beautiful. Well, for some anyway.
So this is Derek, guys. If you're ever in Seychelles, Mahé, hit up Derek. He does tours of the island. He can take you from the airport to the hotel. Anywhere you want to go on the island, just hit him up. We're going to put the details right here for you.
AKA the nicest driver on the island. After admiring the airport artwork, it was time to hit security, feed Daddy, and jump on our propeller plane that would take us to Desrush. Mila read the safety handbook around 20 times, whilst River admired the view. We landed in paradise. Thanks for watching. Tune in for part 2 next week and don't forget to subscribe.